Hello. In this video, I will be reviewing the Lukas arrows and curves indicator on the MetaTrader 4 and MetaTrader 5 platforms. This indicator displays a channel for us with its upper and lower lines clearly marked in green on the chart, and we can use these lines as dynamic support and resistance levels. Additionally, using its internal calculations, it generates buy and sell signals for us, where blue arrows indicate buy signals and red arrows indicate sell signals.
Learn and enter the world of binary option with us. Binary option indicators, powerful strategies, learn, trade, win. Level up your trading.
Let's go through the settings of this indicator together. The first option in the settings is the calculation period of this indicator. The higher we set this value, the smoother the green lines we see above and below become. These lines are smoother lines, and this causes the supports and resistances on the chart to appear as static levels. The next option is a factor that is multiplied in the calculations of this indicator and is used as a coefficient. And the higher we set this value, the more signals we will have. The next option is for alerts. If it is set to true, we will have alerts. The following option, if set to true, will trigger the alert on the current candle that is still open and has not closed yet. If it is set to false, the indicator will wait for the candle to close before issuing the alert. The next option, if set to true, will display the alert as a message on the screen. The following option, if set to true, will also provide the alert as a sound. The next option, if set to true, will send the alert to our mailbox as an email. The next option is for the upward arrows, where we can specify their distance from this line here. This coefficient you see here is multiplied by the ATR, and that much distance is displayed here. This is for the upward arrows, and the next one is for the downward arrows. You can also use the MT4 version of this indicator on the MetaTrader 4 platform. In the end, if you have any comments, criticisms, or suggestions, you can share them with us through the comments section to help improve the indicators.